had a wonderful 2014. We had new handmaids added to our group. We also had some challenges, but challenges are always part of our lives, and it has made us better persons. So I look forward to 2015 with all of you. And for those of you who are wondering, because the place is kind of crowded, we all know that, we realize that, but we had to make a change in the venue. Our party was supposed to have been yesterday, but we had West Leader Summit yesterday that cannot be postponed, so we didn't have a choice but to move our Christmas party to today. So we scrambled for a venue. Praise God that we were able to secure this venue. So I beg your indulgence. Some of you didn't have some chairs, some of you didn't have tables. But isn't it feels so cozy because we're all close together. Sabi nga, kapit busy. Okay, so again, Merry Christmas to everyone, and with this, I'd like to open the presentation.
Okay, so Sister Shalaya, come on over here. Michael,